Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Easy Art, where you can learn to draw anything and we make it easy. And today, our episode, we're gonna draw a cute little orange slice with a face on it. And I hope you guys are ready, so just make sure we're prepared for art. As always, let's make sure we have our two pencils. We have an eraser in case we mess up and need to erase it. And we also have a Sharpie for our outline or the ending when we need to outline our writing and make it look good. So we'll grab all that stuff, and then of course any colors that you want to have for your orange slice with a face on it, grab those and get those ready too, guys. Okay, get prepared, and then here we go. So first, we're going to start with a nice little half circle. Okay, that's going to be our main shape of our orange slice. We're going to start on this, maybe on the left or right side of your paper, whatever you like best. We're going to do a half circle. So we're going to just go down and up. It doesn't have to be perfect. Mine's not, so no worries. Yours isn't either. You can always fix it. Okay, half circle. I think this side needs to come up just a little bit. Make sure they're even. And we're going to draw a line straight across, guys. There we go. Perfect little half circle. And next, we're just gonna make the next line. It's just gonna follow this half circle for the peel of the orange. It'll be at the bottom, right? So about about half inch in here, we're gonna make a nice line and keep it the same all the way through, guys. Keep it the same distance. So go a little bit slower with this one. Perfect. All right, next we're gonna make the little sections of the orange that when you cut into the orange and you have to peel those slices out, we'll make those sections. So first we're gonna draw a line straight down the middle to divide our orange basically in half. And now we're gonna cut these two slices in half, just like a pie. So I'm gonna do a diagonal line from this corner straight down, and a diagonal line from this corner straight down, right? And all of our orange has all the slices start from the middle. Okay, I think that's good. Next, I think we could give our orange, we're gonna have make him a little person, a little guy with a face and some hands and feet, but nice and simple, guys, nice and easy. So we'll do his feet. We'll start here on this, maybe in the middle of this second section here. We'll do a straight line down. Kind of short, not too long. He's not very tall, he's just going to be short. I don't think an orange like this slice should be a tall character. He's kind of short and fat, so we'll keep him short. Next one is going to be right in the middle of this section. Straight down, about the same size. Nice simple legs, guys. And then we'll just do his feet straight lines out. Perfect. Nice simple feet. We'll do some simple hands and arms. We'll start them on these sections here. So a short diagonal line out here. Short diagonal line out here. And maybe this, maybe he's waving. So we'll do one hand up. And we'll just do this little piece here on the end for that. That'll be his hand, right? If you guys want, you can give him fingers. And then this one, maybe we'll just have his arm down like this. Okay, so straight line down and out. That'll be his hand, this is his elbow, right guys, elbow. And this one, maybe he's waving. Perfect. All right, let's do his face now. All right, so we're gonna have his mouth right in the middle here. And then, so let's erase just a little small part right where the mouth should be, right about here. We'll just erase a little bit. No worries. And it can be bigger than it needs to be, guys, and then we'll fill it in later. And so we'll just do his eyes first. Then we can figure out where to put his mouth. So I think his eyes will be right here in the middle. We'll draw two circles. One, two smaller circles, and maybe he's looking kind of down or so. So we'll just do a smaller circle inside, And then I'm gonna leave a small little white piece for the reflection in his eye where he's looking. Just like that, small little white circle in the middle. Same on this side. Make sure they're looking in the same direction. He's not cross-eyed, unless you want him to be, right? We can make him cross-eyed. And then we'll put his mouth right here. So we'll do a nice smile, nice little smile. Not too big. And then I think he's just kind of opening his mouth, like laughing, kind of saying hi. So, and then I'll just finish that up like a crescent. And then we'll put a tongue in there. So we'll do 2 little humps. 1, 2. You guys see that? So all I did was do 2 little half circles. And then the second one starts about there, 2. Now we'll finish our line here. So it looks nice and good, clean. And now we can give some expression lines just to kind of show what he's doing. Maybe he looks very happy. So we'll make his eyebrows right here up and nice and happy, right above his eyes. Nice little half curve line here. And we'll do the other one right above it. You can do a lot with their eyebrows, guys. If their eyebrows are in, you can be mad, or out, kind of worried. All kinds of stuff with eyebrows. Okay, I think he looks really good, guys. So next, I think what I'm gonna do is outline. We're gonna color it. We're gonna fast forward through all that so it's not too long for you guys, and then we'll be right back and we'll talk after, okay? Happy coloring. All right, guys, we're all done. I think our little orange man or orange guy looks really good. And I hope yours came out just as good, if not better than mine. And then, of course, if you like the channel, guys, and if you want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe, and then you'll be able to see all the new stuff that I have coming out. And I hope you have a good rest of your day. Take it easy.